I'm going to show you exactly how to be confident in your pricing and how to charge customers for the pleasure of working with you. Hi, I'm Jody-Ann, founder of the Event Certificate, and I'm the person you call when you are ready to grow your event plan and business. So the first tip I want to share with you is to stop reaching for the bottom. Stop trying to be the lowest price in your market, in your city. Stop trying to aim for the bottom of the barrel, because when you do that, you're essentially starting at a place that's going to make it difficult for you to increase your profit or for you to make any profit at all. So stop aiming for the bottom and just stick with your decision and know what your services can provide to your clients. Tip number 2 is that I want you to know your value. And I know this is a pretty empty statement without an explanation, so here it goes. When I say know your value, I want you to have a better idea of exactly what it is that you provide to your clients and how they benefit from your services. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to take some time today to reflect on the services that you provide. How do you improve your client's life or their experience when planning their event? How long have you been in the industry? How much training do you have? Are you a newbie? Are you an expert? Or you're somewhere in between? I want you to write these things down, think about them, and ask yourself if you should be at the lower end of the scale or if you need to increase your prices. Tip number 3 is to find the right clients. And I keep saying this one over and over again. Now, if you haven't seen my video on your red velvet rope policy, I want you to take some time to watch that video. And basically what your red velvet rope policy is this. You should only be working with clients who fit a certain criteria that you've set for your business. So if you've decided that you make a better profit, or at least you make a better living for yourself and your family when you are charging $100 an hour, then you need to create a criteria for clients that fit that. Maybe you can only work with potential brides who have an income over $50,000 or who have a budget for their wedding over $10,000. Whatever that is, you need to have that criteria and find the right clients that fit that criteria so that you won't be struggling to justify your prices. Tip number 4 is to stop doubting yourself. What is it that's limiting your beliefs about why you can increase your prices or charge a certain price that customers won't pay? I want you to really stop and think about that. Do you have a money mindset block? Do you think that your services aren't worth it? Are you scared to scare clients off? Do you think they're not going to pay for it? And if so, what's the worst that could happen if you charge the price that your services are actually valued at? Tip number 5 is to get help. So if you're struggling to set your prices or struggling to find customers who will pay the price that you're asking, seek out some help. Whether you find a mentor or a business coach or just resources online, whatever it is, seek out some assistance to ensure that you're working at your best capacity and your business is operating the way it should be. As a bonus, I've included a link at the bottom of this video that can help you with some of this. It's my free pricing worksheet that takes you step by step through the process of setting up your hourly rate. In addition to that, you can also use this hourly rate to set your package prices for your wedding and event planning services. So before you leave this video, be sure to download the free worksheet and take some time to go through that. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you get weekly updates every time one of our videos gets posted.